In this video, I'm going to show you how to view the mobile version of any website on Chrome using your laptop or PC. This is super useful if you want to check how a page looks on a phone, test a mobile layout, or quickly preview a responsive design without needing an actual mobile device. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop or desktop computer. This method works directly inside Chrome, so there's no need to install anything extra. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to view in mobile mode. You can type the web address into the address bar and press enter. After the page loads, give it a few seconds to fully appear so everything is ready before switching views. Now for the key step. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and I at the same time. If that shortcut doesn't work on your device, you can also press F12. This will open Chrome Developer Tools on the side or bottom of your screen. Don't worry if it looks a little technical at first. You only need one simple tool inside it. At the top of Developer Tools, look for the Toggle Device Toolbar button. This usually looks like a small phone and tablet icon. Click that icon and Chrome will switch the web page into mobile view. Right away, you should see the site shrink down into a phone-sized layout, just like it would appear on a mobile browser. From here, you can test different screen sizes, rotate the view, and check how menus, buttons, text, and images behave on smaller screens. This is especially helpful for web designers, developers, creators, or anyone who wants to make sure a website is mobile-friendly. You can also refresh the page while in mobile mode if you want to see how the site loads specifically in that layout. If you want to go even further, you can use the device drop-down inside Developer Tools to choose different phones and tablets. That lets you preview how the website looks on specific devices like an iPhone, Pixel, or iPad. It's a fast and easy way to troubleshoot layout issues and get a better understanding of the mobile experience. And that's it. Now you know how to view the mobile version of a website on Chrome using your laptop or PC. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.